are you doing? What are you doing? Are you trying to flip yourself over again? Come on. Come on, pretty boy. Come on. Come on. Come to mommy. Come to mama. Come to mama. I see you. Left, right, left, right. Come on. Come on. Oh, no, I see you. Hey, buddy, look, I'm right here. Look, hey. I see you. I see you. I see you. I know it's hard, but you're gonna get through it. Give me that blanket. Give me that blanket. Come on, it's okay. I see that hand. I see that hand. Oh, are you gonna flip over? Are you gonna flip over? Almost. Almost. You flipped over. You were not supposed to flip over, but that is so cute. That is cute. Mommy, I flipped over. Look at that smile. Look at that smile. Like, Mommy, forget crawling. I'm going to roll over. Yes, I am. I'm going to roll over. I see you. Huh? You're going to love the cameras. Okay, Mr. Godfather. I know it. Really? Okay. What are you doing? Yeah. Uh-huh. Oh, look at you. You're so cute. You're so cute. You're so cute. What are you talking about, huh?